Hello everybody. Today I'm going to go over how to model a vertical pipe run in Civil 3D pressure networks. Today I have a pressure network already laid out for you. My setup is I got a plan view on my left and a 3D view on my right. And to do that, you just go to View in the ribbon, go to Model Viewports panel, and then select 2 vertical. Step 1 is to break this pipe run. Do that by selecting the pipe run in the contextual ribbon tab. Select break pipe run under the modify panel. Wait for the green glyphs to appear and then click. Now select the triangle to lengthen, but in this case we're shortening it, and just drag it back. Oops, out here. Do the same thing for this other side. Hit escape. Next step, go to the layout panel. Next to the add fitting button, select the drop down to select the appropriate part. In this case, we're using a 90-degree 8-inch elbow. To add the fitting, just select the button up here. Go to your pipe and wait for the green glyph to appear. Click, click. Now you have 2 fittings. Next step, since this is I think it's called a path-based layout, we cannot modify these fittings very easily. So we're going to detach the pipe run by going to the tool space tab, go to your pressure network, the pipe run, and then right click on each pipe run and select detach. Let's go to 3D view, select the fitting, and you're going to look for the diamond with the line and with the dot. Just rotate until you can see that dot, and that indicates that you can rotate the fitting. So click on the dot and rotate the fitting. Let's do this for both sides. Select the fitting, look for the dot, and rotate. Now we have 2 fittings facing upwards. Next step, going to add a pipe run connecting these 2 fittings. Go to pipe runs in the tool space and prospector tab. Right click on pipe run, select add pipe run. Make sure all your settings are the way you want it to be set. Select OK. And now we're going to look for the center of the opening of this fitting and wait for the snap and select. And then let's bring it over to the other side and wait for the snap and click. And then when you're done, just hit enter. Now we got a joiner between these 2 segments. Now I want to change this segment so that we can create our vertical run. So let's add some elevation. Click on the pipe once, go up to the part properties, select that, and we're going to change our outside crown elevation for the start and for the end. And in this case, I just want to set that to 1200. The outside crown elevation refers to the top part of the pipe that's outside and meets with the dirt. That's the very top. So now that we have that set, let's click OK, and the pipe will move to the 1200 elevation. Next up, let's add fittings to both sides of this pipe. Click here. And Civil 3 is a little weird and it won't let me place a fitting on both sides. So I'm going to go into the plan view here and add it that way. Got two fittings. Because this is a path-based or a run-based segment that we just made here, we gotta detach this one as well so that we can rotate the fittings. So just go back into the tool space, go to the shortcuts down here and right click on the pipe run and select detach. Select the fittings to rotate them again, like this. Same thing on the other side. There we go. And now we can join this segment with our ground level segment. Select the fitting and then see the plus sign. That's to continue the layout. Click on that and then just drag it to the connecting fitting and it should snap in place. If not, just wait for the green glyph and select. Same thing on this side. And now they're connected. Going to go into a conceptual view just to get a better look at what we made. And that is our vertical run. Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.